Sitting here chilling like a balloon. Sorry about that, y'all. Yeah, I'm sitting here chilling like a balloon. What y'all gonna do for Thanksgiving? Is anybody cooking? Is anybody cooking? Me, I might be catering because I'm working. But yeah, Christmas is my holiday. But I am thankful. Thankful for a lot of things. Thankful for having a roof over my head, food to eat. And I'm also thankful for Jesus. That's my number one thing. I'm thankful for him. If not nothing, I'm thankful for him. That's my reliable source. But yeah, I'm up here at BlackFridaySales Mall with my son and daughter. Trying to catch some of those Black Friday sales. Shouldn't be out here doing nothing, really, to tell the truth. They deserve it. I don't know. But you know how we treat your kids. Just let them have their way sometimes. But yeah. I'm waiting on my little mic to come so you can hear me better on the phone. I don't know if this is going to pick up or not, but yeah, I'm waiting for my mic to come so I can do better vlogs and better videos. I figure I sit here and just talk to the camera for a little while I'm up at the mall. Maybe a little YouTube short. But yeah, it's just something about the holidays. They just uplift the spirit. Well, I don't know about y'all, but it uplifts my spirit. Yeah. I remember as being a kid, even if it was just for a couple of days, I remember how my mom used to tell my dad, oh, we're going to see Mother for Christmas, or we're going to see Mother for Thanksgiving. And my dad would be like, that's over 500 miles. We're going there for a couple of days. But you know what? My mom always had her way. I don't care if it was for 24 hours. We going to Kentucky. She might have to pout a little bit, but we going. Yeah, we would go there, and you know, sometimes her birthday will fall on Thanksgiving because her birthday is November the 24th. And yeah, sometimes the holiday will fall on her birthday, so that made it even more special for her. I think that's what the problem was. Yeah. But I sure do miss my granny. Yep. I miss all my family, really. Because I love my family. If I got reincarnated, I would want all the ones I had back. That's just how much I love them. Woo. This mall got over 400 stores in the Lord. I know this probably gonna be the weekend they make all the money, Black Friday. Black Friday. I'm trying to stay on subject, trying not to be all over the place. It's a little nippy in here. I don't know why they got air, but maybe because of all these stoves and stuff. Maybe that might be the reason, because, yeah, they usually have the stoves on. Yeah. You have the stoves all in places to eat at. That's probably why. here and just have me some Chipotle. She will be arriving around 3:04. What time is it? I'm vlogging right now. So, yeah. I remember somebody had made a video and made it seem like it was a mouse in here. But I think they just put the mouse on the table. They was like, oh, I'm at Woodfield Mall and blah, blah, blah. I didn't think nobody was going to eat in this bad boy no more. But, you know, I know that joker was planted. Because they keep this bad boy up in the car. They Christmas decorations is okay, but they not all that. Simple garland and few lights. I remember I used to love coming to this place to give them my money, but not no more. As I got older, I got wiser. I'd rather have some green in my pocket than some cotton balls, some lint. Yeah, this year about to be over. I can't believe this year. It came and it went. It came and it went. Sitting here now waiting on my daughter Aniyah to get her butt here. But yeah, probably got like maybe less than 40 days left before the end of the year. I hope everybody has safe holidays. And I hope those that don't have anyone here any longer, I hope they make it through the holidays, because the holidays are the roughest ones to make it through during the holiday season. Those are the real rough ones, especially Christmas and Thanksgiving. Yeah, those are the rough ones. Yeah, it seems like when the year start over, it seems like it's a fresh start. However your start, that's your outcome for the rest of the year. That's funny as I don't know what. But yeah, hopefully it'll be a good 2024. 2023. 2023 is okay. She knows she gonna come to the food park. So don't worry. Is it 3:04 yet? Yeah. But yeah. I just got a message from her arrival. I don't know what time it is. But yeah, 2023, it wasn't too bad. I guess it wasn't too bad. Yeah. Yeah. Hopefully yours was okay. You guys were okay. Yeah. I'll be having another birthday soon too. Didn't even think about that. Yeah, we haven't really had no snowfall yet, but it sure did get cold outside. Yeah. Yeah, I'm talking about everything else. I need to be telling y'all about my Black Friday Day sale that I'm having on Friday. It's actually going to go throughout the end of the month to November the 30th. And I actually going to have a sale for Cyber Monday too. You can go to either site. I had to get the login for Shopify, but the one for lucrative layers for wigs, that one is www.lucrativelayers.net. Again, www.lucrativelayers.net. The whole site will be 20% off throughout the month. And there's also a sale for Cyber Monday. I'm actually also doing customs prints. Yeah. Well, I gotta run, guys. I gotta go spend some more of my darn money because they ain't old enough to work yet. Well, they old enough to work yet. They just don't got a job because of support. Okay. Deuces. Peace. Talk to you guys later. Have a good day.